Text URL to clickable link JavaScript series. Let content equal to plain text and URL and another IP link clickable. Then create a function link generator parameter str equal to str.replace. Here write rejects https question mark, then string replace from http to until next space, then comma write href $1 is that particular string part, and then $1 and close anchor. After that return string. Output inner HTML equal to link generator. Inside the link generator we can see content. In the HTML here is output element with ID output. Let's see the result. We can see here plain text with domain link and IP link with clickable. Let's make some changes here. Example, we can see text changed. In case we remove HTTP from here, it's not more clickable. If we add this thing, we can see it's clickable. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.